This is the Reacher R2 sound machine and nightlight. It has 31 different sounds and 8 different color options. The sounds include 7 kinds of noise, from white to brown and pink noise, 7 different fan sounds, and 17 relaxing natural sounds. There are 8 color options with a 0 to 100 dimmable nightlight and 3 modes, which include color stay, color changing, or breathing. It's very easy to use, and you can pick and choose any color and sound combination you need. You can also just have the light on, just the sound, or both light and sound. Your last settings will be saved. The nightlight option provides a perfect soothing glow to sleep or to help you see your way in your room at night. And the sound machine is perfect to drown out disruptive sounds at night like snoring or outside traffic, or it can even be great during the day to help provide a relaxing and peaceful sound while working. This is a great option for a sound machine with nightlight.
Meet SNOOZ, a portable sound machine designed to help you sleep. Inside, a small fan spins to produce peaceful white noise. No looping tracks, no low-quality speakers, just the soothing sound of moving air. Adjust the tone with an easy twist of the outer shell. Dial in your personal sound cocoon with 10 volume settings. Control the nightlight, set a schedule, and protect your little one's ears with a first ever nursery calibration, all on the SNOOZ companion app. So whether it's for neighbor noise, hotel rooms, or you just like the sound of a fan, SNOOZ can turn your bedroom into a haven for sleep. SNOOZ.